guys, new update on Poland visa appointment. Included po dito yung mga mag-apply po ng work visa bound for Poland. As of June 1, 2025, the Poland Embassy in Manila will no longer be accepting visa applications through BLS International. Visa applicant will need to make appointment through the e-consulate system. And ito po yung website kung saan po kayo need mag-register for the appointment. So, no more BLS appointment, guys. So, ang dami kasing problema dito sa BLS before. Ang daming nagreklamo. Ang dami, guys, hindi nakakakuha ng appointment. So, this time, medyo nag-iba po ang simoy ng hangin at ito si Embassy ay nilipat po yung appointment system sa e-consulate. Hawak na po ito ng Embassy. So, Embassy na po ang magbibigay ng appointment.